What's up there, sports car world? Cody here with Card Attractions. It is Friday morning and we are ripping. We got some 2020 Legacy NFL Hobby Box. We're going to break into this today. Looking for some good stuff. Getting real closer and closer each day to that 500 subscriber mark. If you're new to the channel and you ain't smashed that subscribe button yet, please do so. So we got two autos in this box, it says. Very nice. Let's pull these out. Tilt the camera a little bit here. There we go. First pack. All right. Aaron Donald, nice. Carson Wentz. Very nice. Oh, Randy Moss. Legends. Nice. We got Mark Ingram. Steve Young. Timeless Talents. Very nice. Maybe. Kurt Warner. Very nice. And our rookies, Lipscomb and Chenault Jr. Alright. Pack number 2. Harrison Smith. Ryan Tannehill. Derwin James. Very nice. Henry Ruggs. Chrome rookie card here. Very nice. Not numbered or nothing, but very nice card. Alright. Then we got record book, George Kittle. Gold bottom on it. Very nice. John Elway Legends. Bryce Hopkins and Jerry Jeudy for the rookies. Alright, nothing real big yet. We are still on the search. Alright. Jamison Crowder. Zadarius Smith. DeAndre Hopkins. And it's numbered to 35. Very nice. Chase Young. Maybe. It will not, for some reason, come in. There we go. Super tiny auto. Very nice, though. And it is numbered. Oops, get that upside down there. Number 6 of 35. So super nice hit there. And then, oh, Tom Brady. Very nice. Terry Bradshaw. Our rookies, we got Denzel Mims. And we got Brian Edwards. So there's our rookies. Here we go. Mike Evans. Tyreek Hill. I do not know why my camera is doing this. Maybe it's these cards. Tyreek Hill. Jared Goff. Vander X. Don't need that one. Very nice Randy Moss. Bring this back a little more, maybe. Barry Sanders. Donovan Peoples-Jones and Harrison Bryant for rookies. All right. All right, we got Lamar Jackson. Very nice. Dalvin Cook. Tyler Lockett. Keenan Allen. 25 of 100. Fan favorite, Drew Brees. Very nice card there. $25 of 100. Very nice. All right. We got Joe Green, Derek Brown, and Chase Claypool for rookies. Jamal Adams, Devontae Adams, Deshaun Watson, Chase Claypool, Chrome rookie there. Very nice. All right, and we got Aaron Rodgers, the gold bordered on the bottom there. Terrell Davis. She might keep that as a legend. Jonathan Taylor and Tyler Johnson for our rookies. We got Chris Godwin. Old Patrick Mahomes. That will go with my PC. Very nice base Patrick Mahomes there. We got another George Kittle. Zeke Elliott. We got another numbered card here, and it's a Tom Brady, number 15 of 100. Very nice. Tom Brady, number 15 of 100. All right, we got Archie Manning. And then our rookies, we got T. Higgins and Van Jefferson. So, oh, this is a thick pack here. Maybe it's a jersey auto or something. I don't know. Preston Williams. Gardner Minshew. DK Metcalf. Phillip Rivers. Oh, and it's a filler. Christian McCaffrey. For the ages. Emmitt Smith, legend. Nice. All right, then we got Chase Young and Michael Pittman Jr. for our rookies. All right, we got Stephen Gilmore, Dwayne Haskins, Baker Mayfield. Oh, we got a little Isaiah Simmons rookie, and this will sleeved up. And this big old sleeve here. Just because I believe Isaiah Simmons is going to be really good. So I am keeping his cards. He's one of my top 5 picks. Very nice Peyton Manning for the ages. We got a Bruce Smith. Played when I was a kid. Desmond Patman for rookies. And I can't read that one. Jalen Rieger. All right. I will go over these cards on the left with you guys, the ones that I'm not putting in my keep pile. So if there's any of them you want. I usually give one away per person per break, free, if they need a certain card. Derek Carr, very nice. Kyler Murray, nice. Juju Smith-Schuster. Under the lights, DeAndre Swift, rookie. That is very nice. Leave that one up right away. It's not numbered, but it is a very nice card. All right, we got another Tom Brady there. Another Tommy Brady. And it's a timeless pipeline, or timeless talents. No numbered, but very nice card. All right, we got Devin Hester, Antonio Braden Golden, and Hunter Bryant. That's our rookies. All right, here we go. We're getting down through this box here. Looking for something really, really, really good. We got Mark Andrews, Khalil Mack, A.J. Brown, Christian McCaffrey. Got another Bruce Smith Legends card, numbered 198 of 299. Very nice. We'll get this sleeved up real quick. All right, and then we got Joe Montana. Oh, Joe Namath. It's so hard to read these. I was like, what? He never played for the Jets. All right, Cole K-Met. Looks like A. And Antonio Gordon for the rookies. All right, guys, we got what? 5 packs left, I believe, here. Here we go. We got Terrell Williams. Julian Edelman. Sterling Shepard. Number 4 of 25. Oh, wow. Lynn Bowden Jr. Number 4 of 25. Let me get this thing sleeved up real quick. This is a gold sticker auto. Lynn Bowden Jr., very nice. And it is numbered right there, number 4 of 25. Great hit there. Very nice. And what we got here? We got another Tom Brady. I don't see no number on it, but man, there is a lot of Brady's in this house. I got the Brady box. I'm not complaining at all. All right. Lawrence Taylor, DeAndre Swift, and LaMichael Perine for our rookies. The glare of these cards. All right. It's crazy. I've pulled like 4 Tom Brady's, different ones. Very nice, though. Then we got Julio Jones, Tyrann Mathieu, nice. Tyler Higbee. Miles Sanders. Russell Wilson. That's very nice. Drew Bledsoe Legends. Yes, finally got it. We got Henry McCoy and we got a CD Lamb rookie. So we got the sleeve CD Lamb up. Very nice card. Alright, guys. We are almost through this box. Got Marquise Brown, Mitchell Trubisky, Derrick Henry, Hunter Bryant, rookie here. Very nice card. We got another Tom Brady. That's crazy. And awesome at the same time. Pull all of his cards out of one box. Dan Marino. We got Jalen Hurts and Jordan Love for our rookies. Very nice. Alright, either this pack or the next packet. Let's see what we can get. We got Austin Hooper, Josh Jacobs, another Tom Brady. Wow. I think I pulled this one already, but man, that's a lot of Tom Brady's. Christian Wilkins. We got Aaron Rodgers, number 5 of 199. Such a low number. I always like getting the low numbered ones. Very nice. Rodgers there. We got John Riggins. Colin Johnson and C.J. Henderson for the rookies. Alright, guys, here we go. Last pack. Probably got a pack filler in it, I'm assuming, because it's thicker, but we'll see. I've already got my 2 autos. I don't know if I can get that lucky. We got Kirk Cousins. Very nice. J.J. Watt. Matt Ryan. Travis Kelce. And a pack filler. Adrian Peterson. Very nice. Andre Johnson. And our rookies. Rashad Vaughn and AJ Espenza. So that's it, guys. That does complete our break today for the 2020 Legacy. Like I said, these cards that I put on the left, I do give away. If somebody needs one for their collection, usually do one per person. The cards that I'm not putting in my collection, I'll go over these. We got J.J. Watt, Christian Wilkins, Austin Hooper, Marquise Brown, Miles Sanders, Tyler Higbee, Julio Jones, Sterling Shepard, uh, Tyrell Williams, A.J. Brown, Khalil Mack, Mark Andrews, Juju Smith-Schuster. I am keeping Gilmore. DK Metcalf, Preston Williams, Devontae Adams, Jamal Adams, Keenan Allen, Tyler Lockett, Vendrex, Cedarius Smith, Jamison Crowder, and Derwin James Jr. So if there's any one of those cards you guys need for your personal collection, just leave a comment in the box, and I will get with you to make sure I get that sent to you guys. And like I said, they are free. Uh, the big hits I got out of this box, obviously, going to be this Aaron Rodgers, number 5 of 199. Very nice. And then we got a Tom Brady. Looks like a base. Got another Tom Brady record book with the gold border on the bottom. This Hunter Bryant Chrome rookie. CeeDee Lamb, can't go wrong with him. We got another Tom Brady here. Fan favorites. We got this Bruce Smith, number 198 of 299. And another Tom Brady, Timeless Talents. And we got DeAndre Swift, Under the Lights. I really like this card. We got another Tom Brady. It's got the green in the background. It's number 15 of 100. Then we got Patty Mahomes, Chase Claypool, Chrome rookie, very nice. We got Henry Ruggs, and then we got another Tom Brady here, 25 of 100. So we got, actually, these are all different cards. It's very nice. I pulled 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 Tom Brady cards out of this box. So that's super cool. Did get this little card here, Isaiah Simmons. So I'm gonna hang on to this. Like I said, he's one of my picks on draft. So kind of guy I'm looking for. And then we got Chase Young, auto rookie, very nice. And this one right here, probably one of the better hits in the box. It is a gold rookie, Lynn Bowden Jr. auto, and it's numbered 4 of 25. So very excellent card there. So, but yeah, tell me what you guys think. Like I said, if you guys got any comments or if you need one of these cards, leave comments in the box. I do read those. I hope you guys enjoyed watching the show. I will be back later this afternoon and be ripping some more stuff. Like I said, I'm going to be ripping all weekend. But if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. We are almost to 500 subscribers. I want to do this giveaway and start talking about the 1,000 subscriber giveaway that's coming next. So stay tuned, guys. I do appreciate you, and I will be back later. Thanks, and have a great day.